Everyone, the topic I am going to talk is about the heading refrigeration and cold chain management from the refrigeration systems, and the topic is about vapor absorption refrigeration system. Vapor absorption refrigeration system. The vapor absorption refrigeration system is one of the oldest methods of producing refrigeration effect. The principle of vapor absorption was first discovered by Michael Faraday in 1824. The first vapor absorption refrigeration machine it was developed by French scientist Ferdinand Carré in 1860. In this system, ammonia is used as the refrigerant and water is used as the absorbent. As you can see in the right hand side of the diagram, you can see the process of vapor absorption refrigeration system. In this, when there is a source of inexpensive thermal energy at a temperature of 100 degree to 200 degree Celsius is absorption refrigeration. In this, the process as usual as evaporator, expansion condenser, and instead of a compression device, there will be a rectifier, a generator, a regenerator, and an absorber, and a cooling pump. This is the process of vapor absorption refrigeration system. In this, the solution will be passed from condenser to evaporator and then to absorber, and then it will be passed to generator as the refrigerant used is ammonia vapor and water. Then it will be passed to a water separator and again to condenser. This is the process in vapor absorption refrigeration system. Here we can see that water lithium bromide and water lithium chloride systems, these two systems where water itself is refrigerant, a liquid is compressed instead of a vapor, and as a result, the work input is very small and often neglected in the cycle analysis. ARS, it should be considered only when the unit cost of thermal energy is low and is projected to remain low relative to electricity. Air conditioning systems based on absorption refrigeration called absorption chillers, it performs the best when the heat source can supply heat at a high temperature with little temperature drop. This is the COP, coefficient of performance of absorption for vapor absorption refrigeration system. It is equal to desired output by required input. It is equal to QL by Q generation plus water pump in, which is approximately equal to QL by QGen. This next we are going to discuss about the components of VAR. First, it's about analyzer. In analyzer, the ammonia vapor leaving the generator may contain certain moisture. The function of the analyzer is to analyze and to remove the moisture as far as possible. Next, rectifier. It is a closed type of cooler and is actually a miniature condenser where any trace of water vapor left in the ammonia vapor, they are removed by condensation. The cooling is achieved by circulating water as is done as an ordinary condenser. Heat exchangers. Two heat exchangers are provided to internally exchange heat from a higher temperature fluid to a lower temperature fluid so that one is cooled and another is heated. Here you can see two heat exchangers, a generator and an absorber, and pass through a heat exchanger. Then advantages of vapor absorption refrigeration system. In this, the whole system it will be operated at huge temperature range. The circulation volume of refrigerant is low so that it reduces the running cost. The evaporator size is so small when compared with others. In this, the coefficient of performance will be very high here. The load variation, it does not affect performance. More will be capacity, that is more than 1000 tons, that is 30 tons of refrigeration, and 91% electricity are saved. Disadvantages. Evaporation of absorption system will be very low when compared with others. Time to quotient will be high so as to produce cooling effect. As it uses kerosene, oil or gas flame, it emits bad smell. Initial cost will be very high in case of vapor absorption refrigeration system. The leakage, it will also affect the vapor absorption. In this, the lithium bromide will be used in VARs where it will be corrosive in nature and it may affect the overall life of the system. Vapor absorption system is divided into two types. One is single effect cycle and next is double effect cycle. In a single effect cycle, the simple and practical absorption system using ammonia as refrigerant and water as absorbent, it is described in the previous examples as a single effect cycle system for vapor absorption refrigeration system. Next is double effect cycle. If the heat is supplied in two stages, then the system is called two-stage or double effect cycle of operation. Okay. Thank you.